Welcome to our review of the top 10 best cameras for YouTube in 2024. Let's dive into each model to help you find the perfect fit for your content creation needs. Number 1. Akeso EK7000 Ultra HD Action Camera. Offers stunning 4K resolution and a wide-angle lens, perfect for capturing action-packed footage. Its underwater capabilities make it ideal for adventurous vloggers. However, its audio quality might be lacking without an external microphone. Pros: excellent 4K video quality, waterproof design, wide-angle lens for immersive shots. Cons: audio quality may be subpar without an external microphone. Number 2. Kodak Pixpro FZ55 BK Digital Camera. Boasts a 16MP sensor and 1080p Full HD video recording. This compact size and wide-angle lens make it great for vlogging on the go. However, it lacks advanced features compared to pricier models. Pros: compact and portable, Full HD video recording, wide-angle lens for versatile shooting. Cons: limited advanced features. Number 3. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera is a versatile option with built-in Wi-Fi and a 24.1MP sensor. Its Digic 4 Plus image processor ensures high-quality images and videos. However, it may be bulkier for vlogging compared to compact cameras. Pros: high-resolution sensor, built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, advanced image processor. Cons: bulkier design for vlogging. Number 4. DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Vlogging Camera. Offers incredible stabilization and 4K/120 FPS video capabilities. Its compact size and fast focusing make it perfect for on-the-go vlogging. However, its small size may be a drawback for users with larger hands. Pros: exceptional stabilization, 4K video recording at high frame rates, compact and portable design. Cons: small size may be challenging for users with larger hands. Number 5. Kodak Pixpro WPZ2 Rugged Wi-Fi Digital Camera. Kodak Pixpro WPZ2 Rugged Wi-Fi Digital Camera is built to withstand tough conditions, with its waterproof and shockproof design. Its 16MP sensor and 1080p Full HD video recording ensure high-quality footage. However, its bulky size may not be suitable for all vloggers. Pros: rugged and durable design, Wi-Fi connectivity for easy sharing, high-resolution sensor and Full HD video recording. Cons: bulky size may not be suitable for all users. Number 6. Sony ZV-1F Vlog Camera. Sony ZV-1F Vlog Camera is designed specifically for content creators, with features like a flip screen and built-in microphone. Its 4K HDR video recording and fast autofocus make it a top choice for vloggers. However, its price point may be a bit high for some users. Pros: flip screen for easy framing, high-quality built-in microphone, 4K HDR video recording. Cons: higher price point compared to some other options. Number 7. Canon EOS R50 Mirrorless Vlogging Camera. offers a compact design with advanced features like 4K video recording and subject detection. Its smartphone connectivity and content creator-friendly features make it a versatile choice. However, its higher price tag may be a deterrent for budget-conscious users. Pros: compact and lightweight design. Advanced features like 4K video recording and subject detection. Smartphone connectivity for easy sharing. Cons: higher price tag may not be suitable for all budgets. Number 8. Sony ZV-1 Digital Camera. Sony ZV-1 digital camera is tailored for content creators, with features like a flip screen and built-in microphone. Its 4K HDR video recording and touchscreen display make it a powerful tool for vlogging. However, its limited zoom range may be a downside for some users. Pros: flip screen for easy framing, high-quality built-in microphone, 4K HDR video recording and touchscreen display. Cons: limited zoom range. Number 9. Kodak Pixpro AZ405 BK Digital Camera. Kodak Pixpro AZ405 BK digital camera boasts a 40x optical zoom and 20MP sensor for versatile shooting. Its optical image stabilization ensures steady footage even at high zoom levels. However, its bulkier size may not be ideal for on-the-go vlogging. Pros: impressive 40x optical zoom, optical image stabilization for steady footage, high-resolution sensor for detailed images. Cons: bulkier size may not be suitable for all users. Number 10. Sony Alpha ZV-E10 Mirrorless Vlog Camera. Combines advanced features like interchangeable lenses and 4K video recording with a compact design. Its APS-C sensor ensures high-quality images and videos. However, its higher price point may be a barrier for some users. Pros: interchangeable lenses for versatility, high-quality APS-C sensor, 4K video recording capabilities. Cons: higher price point compared to some other options. With these top 10 cameras for YouTube in 2024, you're sure to find the perfect match for your vlogging needs. Happy filming!